Guys, today pasta con le cozze, pasta and mussels. Absolutely easy and delicious. It's not too long to make it. What we need, I show you. This is mussels, kilo 200 grams if I don't make mistake. Fresh tomato, some garlic, the parsley, squid. I'm gonna mix with the mussels. I have lemon zest, salt and pepper, chopped very thin parsley. I have the lemon juice, is 1 lemon juice, a half glass of white wine. First step, and do the mussels, okay? We warm up the pan, a nice amount of olive oil, garlic. If you like some chili, it's good, but I'm gonna use later this just for me because my son, he don't want too much chili. We put this inside. We have the mussel. With some water there. One of these, one sieve, because we're gonna like filtrate the juice come from this cooking. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we cook very well for the family. Lid on. They're gonna be around 3-4 minutes. I wait 1 minute and I'm gonna add this a little bit. I don't know if I have to put all, but a little touch of white wine. It's not obligatory. You can put water, but with wine is another taste. They start open nicely. Oh, the smell is already super. We add wine. The flame gonna be very high. Close again, you know they start opening, and we leave 2-3 minutes more. Okay, they open 4 minutes. Now guys, move all your mussel here. Wow, they're beautiful. We're going to pour everything on the mussels again. This we can leave, we can use again. This, for cook this pasta and mussel, is the most important thing, okay? Take a little bowl, and we're gonna clean all the mussels. Like this, by hand, do the best way you can. And when you finish, basically we're gonna start prepare the pasta. It's from my mussels. Now the water is already on. No put too much salt or check because this water is salty water from the mussel. I put my linguine in, olive oil, radish to garlic I add here, parsley. We're gonna put the squid. I add the mussels as well. We can add this as well. Wow, the smell, guys. Wow. The garlic, I'm gonna remove. The pasta is quite al dente. Mussels water here. We put the high flame. Around here, the black pepper. I move here. When it's good for you, but important gonna be al dente. We add the water. And now we're gonna cook in this water. We add the tomatoes, we add the lemon juice, half this lemon zest, parsley, and leave it to cook. When it's like that, it's ready. Wow! Amazing! This is absolutely delicious, easy to do, and always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao!